Team Suka and Bago Ong Alianza. Vote wisely. Endorsed by Tate Digong or endorsed by Bangag Marcos. Suka is Senators for Unity, Knowledgeable Leadership and Advancement, while Bagong Alianza is an old politics trapo, hiding from their new skin.
So di bali na ang Bagong Pilipinas, yan ang tawag nyo sa inyong mga sarili, no? Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas. Yet it's old names and faces. Your reaction to that it might just be a new name, but it's still the old names and old faces that we're seeing here, Congressman. Your reaction to that it might just be a new name, but it's still the old names and old faces that we're seeing here, Congressman.
Yung track record ang mahalaga.
What about Senator Pia Cayetano? Isn't one Cayetano in the Senate enough?
Ano, but she's just a re-electionist, so naandyan na rin siya, no?
Pero ano po ang bago doon? Mukhang lumang politika pa rin, Congressman. How confident are you that they will be able to put forward a different approach, given that they've been in politics for a long time? It may not be them, it may be their family as well. Kung alam nila na meron palang bagong paraan, bakit hindi pa ginawa dati pa, Congressman?
Okay.
How would you explain Senator Lito Lapid's inclusion in the slate? Marami pong nagtataka. I'm sure you're well aware of, the comments and criticisms coming your way. Ano na daw ho ba ang nagawa ni Senator Lito Lapid para sa bayan, at bakit kinakailangan pa niya ng isang termino under the Bagong Alyansa or Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas slate? Go ahead.
Nung tinanong ko siya, ano bang plano mo? Sinabi niya, baka bumalik siya sa Senado. So, siyempre, inimbitahan na rin natin. Kasi malapit na kaibigan ko naman si Senator Manny Pacquiao. So, lagi kami nag-uusap.
So, ganun ho ba yun? Nadala sa pagkakaibigan, sa relationship niyo po at ng Presidente with these people. Nasaan po yung taong bayan in that equation?
Okay.